Welcome to the Covebo Test and Training Center. Here, we check your skills before you start working for a client. As you can see on the left, we test welders, and on the right, CNC operators. In this video, we focus on welding. Before you start welding, the instructor will give you a short introduction. They will explain what you need to do and what to focus on. Dutch standards may sometimes be a bit different. In the Test and Training Center, you will be tested and trained if needed to make sure your skills match the client's requirements. Our experienced instructors know exactly what to look for. They have custom-made tests for the client you will be working for. We can test both MIG and MAG welding. We also test TIG welding. If you don't fully meet the requirements yet, a short training from our instructors might be enough. Once you successfully complete the test, you will receive a certificate, and we will know exactly which client suits you best. We look forward to seeing you soon at our Test and Training Center.